You saw the title right. First video I made in about 8 billion years. Today I'm gonna upgrade my bathroom fan. I got my Nutone and yeah, let's see how it goes. Just for the record, my bathroom fan actually doesn't sound that bad. There's nothing wrong with it. That's it. But it's kind of loud and I was hoping to get something a little quieter, so I'll give you an idea of how it sounds. Let's close the door. So now we'll swap it out. So this plug goes out. So I just unplugged this and this just unclips out. There was actually a couple of screws here I removed. And there it is. This is the new. And let's pray that this fits. And so far it looks like it fits. It's still turning. So let's see here. And now let's test it. Nice, it's definitely quieter. Smoother, quieter. I like it. The last step is to put the cover back on. So this cover comes with it. And there's a couple of clips. And they go in the inside. So the clips go here. There's one spot here and a spot there. I don't know if you can see that or not. Final. But wait, there's more. I bought an upgrade faceplate. I don't know why, but I decided to buy an upgrade. This thing is huge, to replace that. Now for the second moment of truth. Wow. Looks better, sounds better. Was it worth it? I don't know. I think a lot of people may be a little bit of a waste of money, but So, yeah, if you're curious about me, it's been a long time since I made a video. I've been feeling great. I got the second Moderna shot in November. I knew that was going to put me back, but I don't know. I'm doing all right. I've got some other videos I want to make. Griff Shannon, if you're curious, if you're still watching, I'm doing a small intestine cleanse. I've got this Arise and Shine Fund of Minerals. It contains trace elements, aluminum, antimony, barium, beryllium, bismuth. I'm also doing a psyllium husk powder, bentonite clay powder, and the chomper, which basically makes you go to the bathroom. So yeah, interesting. I just tried this out, and it's supposed to help move the mucoid plaque out of the small intestine, which is supposedly what makes a lot of us sick. And I definitely could use some cleansing. So that's going to be it for this one. See ya.